how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. I know y'all are like, Mika, why are we not seeing your face? Well, I am just being lazy today and I did not want to miss another unboxing. I wanted to get this one out on time, and I will be doing May's box and April's box that I'll title it Curlbox Rewind, so you guys can see my reaction to unboxing those. But yeah, so this is Curlbox June 2018, and this is the box. It's pretty heavy, so bear with me. This is a different type of filming style. This is how I film my planner videos, so I'm still getting used to all that jazz. And so let's get into this Curlbox. Okay, let me open it up and let me give y'all the first look at all this good stuff. I've already opened it. Sorry, I'm hitting my camera. Let me turn her sideways. Hitting my camera. Okay, this is the card. Let me go ahead and move it. You guys can see all that good stuff. Am I gonna have to zoom out more? Bear with me, y'all. This is all new to me. Okay, there we go. All right, so that's the box, and I'm gonna go ahead and move it over here where you can slightly see it. But okay, this is the card that we got, and it's Curlbox June 18 squad goals. This is the back where it talks about the Twitter talk, which is gonna happen June 26th, and they talk about the products in the box. I still haven't gotten a chance to get in on that. And then this is the card. You guys can see that. And these are the squad go girls. Love, love, love. Love this card. It's a beautiful card. I might use this as the cover of the video. But we're gonna put that right there. Okay, so we're gonna jump into this box, and I'm just gonna grab something. Okay, so we got the Maui Moisture product line, and the first thing from this line is the Maui Moisture. Let me zoom you guys in some more. Okay, this is the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate and Shea Butter. It's a detangler leave-in for dry damaged hair. And this is the leave-in. Let me see. You guys can see that consistency. It's pretty creamy. It's not thick at all. And ooh, it smells good. I've used their deep conditioner for this line before. Yeah, I rubbed it in my hand like it was lotion. And I love it, love it. Like, I have 2 bottles of it because Walgreens or CVS, whichever one it is, they always have really good sales with the product. But that's the leave-in. Next we have, might as well do them both, the shampoo and the conditioner. I believe this is the conditioner. Yeah. Okay, can you guys see that? Let me zoom out a little bit more. Okay, this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. They are both for damaged and dry hair, soft, quenched thirst, creamy. It's got macadamia, shea butter, and coconut oil in both. They are both, well, the conditioner is silicone free. The shampoo is sulfate free. Oh, they all have the same, no mineral oils, no silicones. But y'all can't see that, can you? Read with me, people. You see all the stuff that it doesn't have. And then that's the front of them. And let me zoom you guys back out. Okay, so now let me do my infamous smell test. This is the shampoo. Oh, I'm spilling it. Ooh, that smells good, y'all. Yeah, that smells really good. Now that I've made a complete mess, I should have just opened it from the top to see if it had a, my bad. Ooh, that smells good. I might use that tomorrow because I need to wash my hair. Conditioner smells the same. It smells really, really good. And you can see it's the same consistency as the leave-in, a little thicker. I almost want to say you could probably use this as a leave-in also because of the consistency of it. So yeah, thumbs up if you guys want me to do a review of this, if you want me to film my wash day routine with this. And then the next product that we have, and my box is falling over, let me put it down, is this. And I love that they put it in this cute little Ziploc bag because, you know, oils are oils and they always tend to spill some kind of way. But it doesn't look like this one did. Oh, it did a little bit, but it's okay. It smells good. Okay, this is the agave line, and then the one that we were reviewing is the shea butter line. So this is agave raw oil. It's for chemically damaged hair. I don't have chemically damaged hair because I'm all natural now, girl. But yeah, it's silicone free, no mineral oils, no silicones, no parabens, no gluten. It's got all that good stuff, and I'm assuming, yeah, it didn't have a seal on it, which is why they put it in a Ziploc bag. It smells really good. Let me see. It's pretty runny. And when I get runny oils like that, I normally want to put them in a spray bottle. I'm gonna put this here because I don't want that oil to get on. You see the shine? So it's a greasy kind of oil, but it doesn't really have a smell to it. You can see my hands. They're really moisturized now from the oil. But yeah, it's an oil nonetheless. It'll do the job. I love that all these product lines are starting to put oils in their products. Makes for a great look. Now that my hands are all greasy, I don't want to get my board dirty. Okay, and then the last product is one that I have used several times. This is the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Hair Mask. I love this stuff so much. I literally can go through an entire bottle. I literally just went through an entire bottle a couple weeks ago. I have another one right here because, you know, I love this product. I think I used this one on my daughter's hair, so there's still a lot left over. She doesn't require a lot. Her hair isn't as thick as mine. But me, I would use the entire bottle, and I'm pretty sure I didn't hoard it. I threw it away. But yeah, this is the new one. And it doesn't have a strong smell, but it smells really good to me nonetheless. Put that one back over here. But yeah, so this is a line. Let me zoom you guys all the way out so you can see everything that we got. This is the hair mask, the conditioner, the shampoo, the leave-in, and the oil. I'm just gonna sit the oil there because I don't want it to get all over. But yeah, isn't that cool, guys? But yeah, this is the Maui Moisture Squad Goals Curlbox June 2018. Oh wait, sorry. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm getting ready to do a plan with me as soon as I get this oil off my hands because I don't want this oil on my planner. And I just posted my blow dry routine, and I posted a planner haul. If you guys love planners and planner stickers and all that good stuff, I will be doing a lot more of that on my channel. I am getting ready to do my I did get a request on how I do my wash and goes, so I will be doing a video on that soon, so stay on the lookout for that. I am back. Yes, I have been gone for 2 months and it was not just for out of the blue reasons. We have been transitioning, so but we are good now and I'm back. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you please like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video, tell your friends, tell your mom, your cousin, your auntie, and all of them that they need to subscribe to Meks Hair Journey. Meks Hair Journey on Instagram, Meks Hair Journey on Twitter, PlannerGirlMek on Insta, and that's it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.